Alright guys, how's it going today? So today we have a very busy day. I'm on daddy duty because the wifey's not around. Do people still use wifey? I don't know. Wifey?
But you got backup.
Yeah, so I have backup. My sister's here.
Yeah.
We have Thomas and we have Jose, which they're not in a car. They have in separate cars. Thomas has my GTR. Jose has the GTS. And the reason being is because we're also going to do the little video on which car pulls or can get a girl better, more. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go to IKEA. We're going to do a shopping. We're gonna go shopping. We need a conference room table. We're gonna do one of the sections into a conference room. So we need conference room table and chairs. And we're gonna return a bunch of stuff. I don't know if you can see them. I'll show you guys later. We're gonna return a lot of stuff. What else? Jose's doing an IKEA photo shoot, and while we're looking for that, he's gonna be doing an IKEA photo shoot, and you guys gonna see behind the scenes of that because he's also vlogging, and you'll see everything in one vlog, and that's the cool thing about it. What else? We're going to South Beach to do the video, and it's just gonna be a day packed with a lot of stuff. It's just gonna be busy. It's gonna be very busy. So yeah, let's go to IKEA, and we have about 9 miles left. Alright, so as you saw, it's all this crap that we have to return. So, on the way over here, we actually had a big malfunction, mishap, accident. So, Catalina gets car sick. That's something she got from me when I was younger. I would throw up every time I would get in the car.
You can't make it 30 minutes to arrive, like...
It's like the worst experience ever. Anyways, I guess she got her car sick and she threw up all over the place. Thank God it was only on her car seat, and there was a Walmart really right there, so we stopped there, we cleaned her up, we got a new car seat, and we kept going. I wish I could have gotten on camera. I just didn't even have time to grab everything. I just had to think fast. Anyways, good thing her mom always puts, you know, change of clothes in there and everything, so she's fine now. She's taking a nap, and then Natalia's just chilling. So first we're gonna be doing something here at IKEA. So let's look for my photographer. He had the great idea of doing a photo shoot challenge at IKEA. I mean, we usually like to keep it like lifestyle format. So let's see how this goes. There he is. There's the man. So tell him your genius idea.
All right, so the idea for today is we're doing a ugly location challenge. You've probably seen it on YouTube before. We're gonna change it up a little bit, and we're gonna use IKEA. We thought this would be a good location because, yeah. So what we're gonna do is you've been to IKEA, every like 10, 15,
let's walk and talk.
Every like 10, 15 feet, you're gonna have different settings, different interior designs. So we have a few outfits today, and then we're just going to see how many different looks we can get using one location. So if you're shooting on a budget, this is definitely a perfect idea for you to do.
And I think it shows that you don't need a lot of money to have a studio.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Everything's your studio.
Yeah.
Like
everything you look around, it's just getting that creative outlook on everything that you see, and just how you can create something out of nothing, I guess.
I could have said it better.
Yeah, in this.
So I'm a little excited. I think we came at the right time though, because it's not packed.
No.
I brought 4 outfits, and I said this is perfect because we're returning stuff for the office now. We're remodeling, and he's like, "Yo, why don't we just go shoot at IKEA?"
Yeah.
Like 2 birds with 1 stone. Yeah. So let's get started.
Yeah.
And this time we're gonna do it better. We're gonna show you each stage we do, and then I'm gonna show you exactly shots like on camera. All right, so we're in IKEA, one of my most disliked stores. I have my little partner here in crime. So we're gonna go look for a table for the conference room and chairs. So get off your phones.
They're cansada.
I'm actually working.
This is work hours.
I'm working.
I'm sending emails. I just sent 5 emails.
So full of crap.
I don't believe
Alright, so for the first shot, I'm wearing something pretty simple, just a clean white shirt. He already has some ideas in mind of what he wants to do. Like he already sent me out, which is always good to plan ahead of schedule.
So I'm thinking maybe this clean shot, like in a clean white kitchen.
We can even do something right here.
Bro, like this is so perfect.
Yeah.
Like there's like each cubicle is something different, like a completely different scenario.
We could even use that yellow like wall as a backdrop.
It's perfect. Yeah, definitely.
All right, so we have. What do you guys think of this one? No.
It looks like Jose's not gonna like it.
It's not modern aesthetic.
Aesthetic. I like these chairs though.
Those chairs.
Or those chairs. Look at these chairs. These are dope.
I like these better though. It's just that they're white.
They're gonna get dirty. These, I feel like with the table, these chairs would look nice.
120, and we need about.
We need 6 chairs.
Talking about for the conference room, right?
Yeah.
3 on each side.
Yeah, I'll put 3 on each
Even,
side.
or maybe 8, like on the ends. But we don't even have.
I don't like that table.
Not meetings.
What about that white table?
That one, yeah. I wish it was just like. Nah, you see this? This is like cheap. Jose's not gonna like it.
I said to Maria, we can give out the tables that we have and we get a cubicle.
You want a cubicle? We can give you a cubicle. I mean, this will look cool, right?
Yeah.
Or glass.
I like the top one. It looks like a bathroom thing.
Yeah. The thing with this one, you're gonna need 2.
No, with anything you're gonna need 2 because none of them are long enough.
But it would be cool, like just a glass, not this glass.
Yeah, no, I'm
Or
saying
glass.
glass, but they don't have glass. Say hi.
So we found a clean white kitchen here. There's props everywhere, literally. So we're gonna get a coffee cup as if it's like in the morning shot. And I'm just gonna set it up here, let this guy work his magic.
All right, so IKEA doesn't necessarily have conference room tables. So I started looking online, and there were some people that actually hacked themselves a conference room table, and they look very nice. Basically, they grabbed 2 tabletops, put them together, and they were able to make a table. So we're gonna go back to the table section to see if they have 2 tabletops and the stand.
I mean, literally, we could do like a dapper or something like dark, almost sophisticated. I like that.
With all the neutral tones.
Yeah. Or something even in a bedroom like this.
Oh, maybe not.
Yeah, no, I think I like this better. By the way, the trick when people are looking at you while shooting, just smile back at them.
Yeah.
It just gets awkward at that point.
No, 2 is enough, I think.
You can either make it into a square, basically like that.
That's not bad.
Good. How you doing? How would it look with this one?
I don't like it. You like it?
I just made it like a metal stand.
I like those though.
So we would really just need one more because we have one in the office. An extra one. So we need one more.
You have that exact one?
Yeah. Because we bought it for our table and we didn't use it. So we will need one more that's going to come up to here. And you can put
Square.
2, 4, 6, 8 chairs really.
All right, so we were wrapped up with this outfit, but then Colin found this kitchen, which he's right. I think it's a little bit more aesthetic. It's gonna make my shirt pop out more. We're gonna give it a shot. Perfect. Here we go. I'm trying to hide this.
But I want you to just look at it. Don't interrupt the shot. Exactly. Oh, we already got it. We got the shot.
That's it?
We got it.
I don't want to sit here. There's clearly nothing in there.
The other one.
Here, the only thing I would fix on that, I have like a little bulge there. See what I'm saying? But you can like
I can try and
squeeze that out.
The wrinkles might. You want to do it
You
again?
want to do it again?
Yeah, just because the wrinkles on the shirt might look.
This has to be the hardest shoot we've ever done, bro.
You have it again a little bit. I think it's. You have it again there a little bit.
Now, the chairs. Which ones do you guys like the best?
Bad mom. These kids. It doesn't help with my boy game.
I didn't get you on camera.
Alright, do you guys like You like that black one?
The leather.
The regular leather black one?
Uh-huh.
Or that small one?
He
This?
likes this? This is what he likes?
Yeah.
Are you
He didn't like the white one. And it's also true they're gonna get dirty.
I'll take the black one if you.
Ooh.
That's more
Something broke in
comfortable.
my bag.
I'd rather take the black one off.
Yeah. But these look...
They just look like regular conference room tables.
Honestly, I'd rather do this.
But there's no arms on it or anything.
It's more of a conference room table.
Exactly.
So that's how they look.
You know what? Let's go see what Jose's doing.
For outfit number 2, or the second challenge, will be this green room. To the naked eye, pretty ugly. To my man Colin, art.
I'm gonna shoot through this too.
Alright. Should I just go change? Like,
Shot through both. Yikes. Yikes. I'm gonna get my point of view unless you want to shoot more here.
should I grab some of that greenery and put on the table or no? Maybe too much?
I think because we're shooting through this.
Let's just do a couple more.
Yeah.
But I think slaughtered, bro. Okay, so now we're moving on to outfit number 3, which is gonna be something a little bit more streetwear focused. So I'm wearing a white tee, some ripped jeans, my fly knits, and it was just kind of like a varsity leather jacket. So I think something in like the rugged, kind of like the loading dock area, or even in a black and white scenario, is gonna look freaking amazing.
What is this guy doing? What are you doing, bro?
What's that?
What are you doing?
The world's my stage.
Oh, that's what it is? The awkward moment where people walk over by. Look, this is sick.
Isn't this awkward? People looking at
No, you don't even realize.
This is sick. Look at this guy using a plant to take a picture of this guy. Go ahead.
Yo, people are just trying to enjoy their day, shop at IKEA.
That's awesome. Now we need to figure out a whiteboard if they have anything here. What can we use as a whiteboard?
Probably, let's go to the mirrors section.
Maybe there's like a glass or something
Yeah.
we can use. All right, because we need like a whiteboard. I don't know what else to do. I wish there was a big glass. Did you get your H&M shirt from here?
I did, actually.
That's how you looked.
Okay, so now we're in the rug section of IKEA, and he had a really smart idea, using rugs as a backdrop, and we have tons to play with here. So we're just gonna choose a backdrop and try to model a couple shots. So we'll use this backdrop now. Bro, people would never know where the hell I'm at. Oh, I'm sitting in the rug section. Like working with this guy, I like it all makes sense. Like photography, it's all perception. Like pull up the shot real quick. Like look at this shot. Like people would never know I'm in the rug section of IKEA taking this. Like it's freaking genius. So for the last shot with this outfit, since it's the most urban one, we're gonna do it right out here where you kind of choose your stuff for IKEA. It's pretty industrial looking, and really all I'm gonna do is just sit in the middle of the aisle.
To my right a little bit. There's gonna be one where I'm gonna like kind of depend on editing.
Alright. I'm gonna act like I'm pissed I have to get everything from IKEA.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're here at the Ventura Mall. It is super late. We're starving. We're all having Shake Shack. I hope you enjoyed it. We did a little shopping in IKEA. You saw a little bit of behind the scenes of Jose's video of the photo shoot, which I thought it was pretty cool, and I think the pictures came out insane.
Next level. I was telling him, if they want to see more of those vlogs, I'm thinking I can even do like a whole series either on TMF or on Genstech of just photo shoot challenges.
I think that would be pretty cool, especially if they come out as good as they look. Why not? You know. So I think we should end it right now. Even though I talked to you guys about the other videos that we're gonna do that, but that's gonna be in another video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.